Welcome to Mechanic. Today we have our 2016 BMW i3 on this vehicle. I'm going to show you how to replace your rear lift struts. So say these wear out and so your lift gate or hatch doesn't stay up. Typically in the winter or the cold seasons is when these will fail most, or when you will notice that they're failing. But either way, I'm going to show you how to replace them. Now, when you do replace them, it's good to replace them in pairs so that you don't wear them out prematurely. We're doing one or two. You're going to want to have generally a helper to either hold it up or some type of support system to hold it up. I'm using a small screwdriver to be able to get behind the little clip. It's like a little C-clip. You get behind it, that opens it up a little bit and just makes it easier to pull off. So see, the one will not hold it up. And we do the same, getting behind this clip to open it up a bit, and then we're able to get that off. So we've removed our lift strut. Go ahead and get a new one, put on here. And you will want to make sure that you put them on in the right direction. Sometimes they have arrows and point and tell you which side goes to the body and which side goes to the hatch. But you'll just want to make sure that you put it back on in the same direction that you took it off. Putting it back on is a little bit easier. You literally just got to bring it up to it, press it over, which goes over the ball there, and as you push it, it opens up that clip and then we'll lock it into place. There we go. So that's how you'd replace your lift strut on your BMW i3. Like I said, do replace both of them at the same time so that you don't wear them out prematurely. Thanks for watching Mechanic, where you can be the mechanic.